Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Burrn free texting and calling app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Burrn is a free texting and calling app designed to give users an additional phone number for communication without using their primary SIM. It allows you to send texts, make calls, and stay connected over Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's available on both iOS and Android and is commonly used for privacy, online registrations, or keeping personal and work conversations separate. The app's main feature is its virtual phone number. Once set up, you can text and call just like a regular phone. Burrn supports free texting, VoIP calls, voicemail, and contact syncing. It aims to provide a simple, burner-style communication option that works anywhere you have an internet connection. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its convenience, free texting options, and the ability to communicate without exposing their personal number. It's especially helpful for online selling, temporary communication needs, or avoiding spam calls. The interface is simple, and call quality is generally decent when the network is strong. However, there are some drawbacks. Free calling minutes may be limited, and extended features often require credits or a subscription. Call quality can drop on weak networks, and some users report occasional delays or message delivery issues. In addition, since it depends on Wi-Fi or mobile data, it may not always perform like a traditional carrier-based number. In summary, the Burrn app may be worth using if you want a free, easy-to-use second number for texting, calling, and protecting your privacy. However, if you need consistently strong call quality or unlimited calling without restrictions, it might not be the best option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.